Hi everybody, we are students of the Universidad Central del Ecuador and we are going to talk about grammar instructions. First of all, I'm going to introduce you our group. We are Carlos Coelho, Sani Margarita, Kinchuki Marta, Beltran Ana Patricia, and first of all we are going to try to understand what is grammar instruction. Grammar instruction is a technique whose purpose is to affect the ways that the learners have to attend to input data. But what is input data? Please. Input data is part of a process. It could be everything that goes into the language system. It could be reading or listening. Next, we have the process. The process is a part that the learner has to analyze and synthesize the information through syntaxes, semantic, morphological, grammatical, and common sense. Finally, we have the output. What is output? Output is everything that the learner produces. It could be orally or writing. Orally, when the student in the class speak or talk with a partner, with a classmate, or writing in an email or writing a letter. Next, please. We have here an analogy about this process. So we have the ingredients. It could be, I don't know, when we are going to do a cake, we have the ingredients, and it could be the process. It's going to be the process. Next is the part of the process when we have to mix the texture and prepare and mix the ingredients. And finally, we have the product. In this case, the product is a cake. Then we have the feedback. In the feedback, we have to see the things that we'll do in the process and try to improve in the next time. Thank you. In this part, I told you, input based in reading and listening, they are supposed to input based to produce language, speech or reading, communicate purpose. Please. So, we have the relation between input based and general language acquisition. It means input is the acquisition of language. So, the output based is communication, language, teaching. When we have the output, we can communicate our needs with other people or with the community. Please. Grammar instruction. The teacher has to regard the instructional materials through 2 points of view. The first point of view is the emphasize grammar as a knowledge based. The students only has to follow the system of rules. And the second view, we have the grammar as a skill. It's different because the students has to demonstrate the expression in exercise. It means the grammar skill, the student can communicate the necessities in the middle, in the action, in the expression exercises. And the emphasis grammar is always only following system of rules. We have here a difference between an advance of some people. For example, in intermediate speakers and proficient speakers. What is the difference between these? We have in the intermediate speaker use the grammatical code and encoding and decoding the information of the language. On the other hand, the proficient speaker has a wider repertoire of choose to choose the vocabulary. He can access it more quickly than the intermediate speaker, and he has appropriate and effective communication with the community. Please. So we have here an example of grammar. The grammar of a speech is a real example that when we use the grammar in the context, we have to use corpus linguistics of an informal conversation in English and to adapt the rules of syntax to create ways for communicating. Please. Syntactical structures. We have two parts in syntactical structures. This part, the first part is the head. The first part is the head. A structure with an extra. What is the head? Head is a structure with an extra noun phrase. It means as a phrase to an utterance. Is as a preface of an utterance to orient the learner to the topic that the teacher are introducing. It means that it is a preface of an utterance. Please, next. And the other part is the tail. The tail is a structure where a phrase may be appended to the end of an utterance is a reminder of the topic that the teacher are introducing to the learners. Please, we have here an examples. The head is that car over there. Is the part that introduces the topic. Is parked on a double yellow line. Is something like a complement. So in this the part of the grammar detail, we have it's a pleasant place to live. Where? Catcher bar. Catcher bar is a place to do reference to the rest of the sentence. Thank you.